everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Priscilla. Today I wanted to share with you 3 new Kylie lip kits that I got. Well, 2 of them are lip kits, and then one of them I didn't get the lip kit because I have a lot of liners already. 2 of these are brand new. They barely came out last week. I got them yesterday in the mail. And then this one has been out for a while. So this is Posie K. It's been out for as long as Kylie has had her lip kit line. So Posie K, I think it was one of like the first ones she ever did. And then this one, when I saw it, I was like, oh my god, that is beautiful. This one's called Say No More. So I really wanted to get it. And then I also wanted to get this one because this is a velvet. And so I've always gotten the matte ones, but I've never gotten the velvet. So I'm excited to try this one. And then this one is called Low Key. This is supposed to be like a nude color. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on, swatch them, everything, give you my 2 cents on them. If you're interested, keep on watching. I'm gonna start with Low Key because it's the lightest color. So I know that Kylie lip kits, I have them. I have a lot of Kylie lip kits, and to be honest, like I wasn't really expecting a lot from her line. Is that a bad thing to say? But I was super surprised with the quality, and so I haven't ordered any in a long time. When they first came out, like I wanted all of them, and I got some of the eyeshadows, but yeah, I haven't ordered some in a bit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you this right here. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you. Okay, and then I don't know what I have on my lips, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. I have this nude color. And yeah, I decided to bust out with the Selena compact because it was her birthday this weekend. In my area, Selena's huge. Okay, so I'm from Texas, so she is huge here. Not as big as Corpus or San Antonio, but she is huge here. So they had a lot of stuff, a lot of Selena events last weekend. Okay, so that's the brush. And yeah, put this on. I forgot that these smell so good. Some people say that it's overwhelming, the smell, but I really like it. This is the first time that I'm trying like this formula for the velvet. This one's called Low Key, and it's a velvet, and it's really nice. What do you guys think? I think it's really pretty. You know what this reminds me of? Exposed. If you guys have ever... Exposed is actually my favorite lip kit from her. That one and Air, and I don't know what the other one's called. There's like an orangey one that I really, really like. Those are my 3 favorites. So this one I'm really liking. I like the formula. This is my first time trying the velvet formula. So I really like the velvet formula. What do you guys think of the color? I like it, and now I'm remembering why I ordered so many lip kits in the past. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that one off. The next one that I'm gonna try is this one. This is a Say No More. And I guess I'll put on the lip liner. Let me see. That's such a pretty color. It reminds me like of an 80s Barbie pink type of color. Can't pull off. It's okay. So that's what this one looks like. I think it's such a gorgeous color. I really, really like it. I like the formula too. I'm really liking these velvet ones. They're really nice. So I'm gonna wipe that one off. The last one is Posie K, and I've heard great things about this one. This one is actually matte, and I'm sure you guys have seen, if you're clicking on this video, I'm sure you've probably seen lots of videos demonstrating this one, but go ahead and show it since it's new to me. The things too with her liners, I don't know if you've noticed, it's like it does this, like the stick goes up. It's weird. don't know, it's weird. This is like a mauve color, like. Sorry, my camera cut off. But overall, you know, Kylie never failed. She's done this for a while now, and I mean, her products just get better and better. I know that for a while customer service was really bad, the shipping was really bad, but now like I ordered it on Thursday and it got here on Monday. They've been doing really good job of putting their products and their customer service. So overall, I give it a thumbs up. And now I remember why I love these products so much. Now I remember why I ordered them over and over and why I have so many Kylie products. It's been a while. I think it's been like over a year since I've ordered any of these. But now I remember why I really like these products. So anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up if it was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. If you would like to consider subscribing, even better. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.